Okay, in our video tutorial this time, I will explain to my friends. What if? Friends login. I tried to log in. Let me see what the problem is. I'm logged in. While here appears error message, yes friends. The strange thing is that the error that on the connection. So we're gonna resolve error on connection. Actually what happened right here at his connection. If I check it, yes, I'll check it there. The connection is correct, yes. This connection order is correct. Yeah, right where the database is matched, namely to Bodal 2. But how come it can be error, your friends? Still remember you guys my previous video that I have changed the port. So localhost, which was originally localhost. It was originally localhost. She is no localhost. How to take it? Sure guys, open XAMPP friends, yeah. Open it like this. It's in the section MySQL. Let's stop MySQL. Friends, select config. Oh sorry, yeah, not config, yeah. I mean at. I just stopped it all. In the Apache section, yes, in the Apache there is a config. Guys, select PHP MyAdmin. PHP MyAdmin. So stop all first. In its Apache section, select config PHP MyAdmin. Well, in admin I have changed the host. The guys, this is the main cause. I have changed the host, so I have to copy this. I copy it. Then I put it here. I changed localhost to. This is this number. Then click File Save. So if you want to go online, there are some provider web. He does not use a localhost. They also use a localhost. So it's just adjusted. It's host. This is already me. I have pasted it here. Then I click Save ya. Then try us. Back again. Well, try to log in, ya friends. Sorry, I still haven't activated XAMPP. Start first, yes. Click Start Apache. And MySQL. Already succeeded. Just log in using his username. Log in, well, it worked right, friends. So basically guys, replace this. Well, later on for the next videos, I use this host. Because I have changed, ya friends. Okay, I hope this tutorial was helpful.